In this video we will be looking at multiplying and dividing with standard form. You'll be glad to know multiplying and dividing is a lot easier than adding and subtracting. Before we move on, if you aren't confident with the laws of indices, I recommend watching my video on this before continuing, as we use some of the principles in that. So let's look at this example here. 4 times 10 to the 5 times by 6 times 10 to the minus 2. Now we have to split this question up into two separate parts. The numbers at the front, circled in blue, and the numbers at the back circled in red. Now all we have to do is multiply those two numbers together. So 4 times 6 is 24. And due to our indices laws that we know, when we have the same base, so in this case our base is 10, 10 to the power of 5 times by 10 to the minus 2, we can add the powers because we're multiplying them. So 5 plus a minus 2 makes 3. So we have 10 to the 3. Okay, as we know from my original standard form video, this number at the front must be between 1 and 10, but less than 10. And you can see 24 is outside of that range. So we have to make this one 2.4. And by doing that, we're making the number 10 times smaller, or dividing it by 10. So we need to times this one by 10. And by doing that, we will get 2.4 times 10 to the 4. Now division is virtually the same as multiplication. So with this example here, before I move on and give you the answer, I think it would be a good idea if you pause the video, see if you can do it for yourself, apply the same rules, think about the powers. What do we do when we're dividing under the same base from our index laws? So hopefully you've managed to pause the video. So again, split the question up into two sides. 12 divided by 3, we're going to get 4. Now 10 to the power of 6 divided by 10 to the power of 2. From our index laws, whenever we divide two numbers that have the same base with powers, we can subtract those powers from each other, leaving us with 10 to the power of 4. 6 take away 2 makes 4. Now we can quickly do a check that our front number is in the suitable range between 1 and 10, and we can see it is. So this is our final answer, 4 times 10 to the 4. Thank you for watching, and I hope that helped.